You probably already know that you can create custom buttons in the control panel by clicking this little add button. This is a nice feature in ExpressionEngine, but what happens if you want to create that same button for multiple users or for an entire member group? The current situation is that you would have to go through and manually create each tab for each person. And if a new member is registered later, you'd have to go back and create the buttons for that person too. It's very time consuming for an administrator. So we came up with an add-on called Member Group Tabs. Once Member Group Tabs is installed, you have this nice interface for administrators to create tabs for an entire member group. So let's say, for example, you wanted to create a button that points to the template manager. All you have to do is copy and paste the URL. You can leave the session ID in here or you can delete it. It should work either way. And then give it whatever name you want and hit save. Since I'm logged in as a super admin, now I see a template manager button. What if we also wanted to create a button that points at the register member page? Just copy and paste the URL. Put in the tab name, hit save. Now you've got two buttons. Well, what if you don't like the order? Just click and drag and drop. Save your changes, and now they're reordered. You could also point this to an external site. Now you probably wouldn't link to Google, but maybe you would link to like a SQL manager or an intranet or Basecamp. So it's very flexible. The most important feature is that now all of these buttons are available to all super admins. And if you register a new super admin member later, they're going to get those buttons too. And if later you decide you need a new button or you want to remove a button, you come back to this one interface and delete the button, save your changes, and now those changes are reflected across all of the members in that group. Just to show you what it might look like for another member group, I'll create this register member button, save it. Now it doesn't show up twice because I'm not in the editor group, I'm in the super admin group. But let's log out, log back in as an editor, and now I have a register member button. So we hope this will save you a lot of time, and if you have future requests or other ideas on how to improve it, please let us know. Thanks.